from the answer given in Parliament to the Segambut Member of Parliament, my colleague YB Hannah Yeoh. Despite the large sums of public money spent, the Court of Appeal in a unanimous decision sided with the residents in the dispute. The DBKL has continued to appeal the case to the Federal Court, reportedly spending 339,841 ringgit and 50 cents to date. In Setiawangsa, we also have the case of Taman Tiara Titiwangsa. So I'm with a resident of Taman Tiara Titiwangsa. The residents have won similarly at the Court of Appeal against DBKL over a development in the neighbourhood. We're not talking about a magistrate case. We're not talking about a municipal case. We're not even talking about a high court. We're talking about it has reached the level of Court of Appeal. But again, the DBKL has appealed this decision to go all the way to the Federal Court. As the Member of Parliament for Setiawangsa, I would like the Minister, Datuk Sri Shahidan Kasim, and DBKL to clarify the following matters. We have known about Taman Rimba Kiara, so I want to know how much has been spent in legal costs on the side of DBKL for the Taman Tiara Titiwangsa case. Secondly, how much has DBKL spent on private lawyers in various legal cases? We know that the government, through the Aegis Chambers and various government departments, they all have their legal team. And yet, we see in these cases, very expensive lawyers are being hired. So we want to know how much has DBKL been spending on private lawyers, not against big developers, whom we know, developers who tend to be equipped with the best legal team and all that, but against ordinary citizens of Kuala Lumpur who are trying to fight for their rights. And another question is that why does the DBKL persist in appealing Court of Appeal decisions that have been won by residents?